Economic growth is the heartbeat of a nation. It measures how much more stuff a country produces over time. Let us break it down. The primary metric we use is gross domestic product, or GDP. It represents the total value of all goods and services produced within a country. In stable, developed economies, a sustainable growth rate is often cited between 2 and 3% annually. Higher is not always better. Growth happens when we improve these 4 key areas. When workers are more efficient or technology improves, the total output of the economy rises. A common trap is confusing nominal and real GDP. Real GDP strips out price changes to show if we are actually producing more. Economies rarely grow in a straight line. They move in cycles of expansion and contraction, which is why we look at long-term trends. Remember that economic growth is ultimately about raising living standards for everyone in the country. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics helps you see the bigger picture of the financial world. Subscribe for more money explainers.